Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we are here to teach you about the next content. In the previous video, we read about what is magnetic field, what do you mean by magnetic field lines, how the magnetic field lines can be drawn by using the magnetic compass or the iron filling, and about how the magnetic field is produced due to a current carrying conductor. We can find the direction of magnetic field by using the Maxwell's right and thumb rule. In that, we told you that when we hold a straight conductor in our right hand, the thumb gives the direction of current and the curling of finger gives the direction of the magnetic field. Here we are going to tell you something about how the magnetic field lines are formed in a circular loop. For that activity, for that we need a plastic sheet, copper wire, 4 battery of 1.5 volt each, iron fillings. Let us have a look how we will perform this activity. We take a plastic sheet, make 2 holes, take a wooden block, cut it into 2 parts, arrange one above and one below between the 2 holes, then take a copper wire. We have to pass this wire through the holes and we have to wrap it around the box. More is the number of turns, more is the magnetic field. So we take a number of turns more than 50 or 100 so that we can have a great magnetic field. Prepare a setup like this. You can see that a circular loop is formed like this. Here it is a circular loop. We have to connect it to the battery. Make a connection with the battery. Sprinkle some iron fillings. Passes a current through it. Concentric circles are formed at the corners and the straight lines are formed inside the circular loop. In few seconds it is formed. Keep it in mind. More is the number of turns, more is the magnetic field. More is the current, more is the magnetic field. Start tapping. You can see the concentric circles are formed. These are the concentric circles. At the center it is straight. At the end this is like this. Here the right hand rule changes. Here the right hand thumb rule changes. What is the direction of the thumb gives the direction of the magnetic field and the curling of finger gives the direction of the current. This is the direction of current. The circular loops are formed like this. This is the direction of current. The magnetic field is formed like this. At the center it is straight. At the center it is straight, right? The direction of the magnetic field is this one. Here the direction of magnetic field is this one. It is uniform. It is uniform. At the center it is uniform. Why it is uniform? At the center it is maximum at the center because the two magnetic fields, one due to the semicircular segment of the coil through A and the other due to the semicircular segment coil B. It is uniform. It is uniform. And we can conclude that the magnetic field lines near the coil are circular. These are how the concentric circles are formed. So we can conclude the field lines are in the same direction in the space enclosed by the coil. Near the center, the field lines are nearly straight and parallel. It is uniform. The direction of a magnetic field at the center is perpendicular to the plane of the coil. There is a misconception in the right and thumb rule in a circular loop. Previously, we have read the thumb gives the direction of current, the curling of finger gives the direction of magnetic field, but in circular loop, the curling of finger gives the direction of current and the thumb gives the direction of the magnetic field. Clock face rule. How to find the direct south or the north pole, south magnetic pole and the north magnetic pole. If the current is in a clockwise direction, then it is a south pole. How we can find out it is a south pole? This is a direction of current is clockwise. Then it is a south pole, right? And if the direction of current is anti-clockwise, then it is north pole. That is how we can find the direction of the magnetic field. The direction of the current in this phase of circular wire is clockwise. So this phase of circular wire carrying current will act as a south magnetic pole. The direction of current in this phase is anti-clockwise, therefore it will act as a north magnetic pole. Magnetic field is represented by B. B is directly proportional to I. B is directly proportional to number of turns. B is inversely proportional to the distance. More is the distance, less is the magnetic field. More is the number of turns, more is the magnetic field. More is the current, more is the magnetic field. That's all. If you like this video, then please subscribe it, comment it, and press the bell icon. Thank you.